Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install VS Studio Code for Java development. So first we have to download the VS Studio Code and the Java development kit setup. You can download them from the link given in the description below, or you can download them by searching in your browser. I will show you how. Now search the VS Studio Code in your browser, and this is the official link of the VS Studio Code. Now click on the download link. Here are the download options for the different OS. We are installing it in Windows, so click on download for Windows. Now the downloading will start it. Now we have to install the Java Development Kit or JDK. So search the JDK in your browser. Now click on this Oracle website. Now here are the different versions of the JDK, like JDK 7, JDK 8, 11, 14 and 15. JDK 15 is the latest version of the JDK. So I am downloading the latest version, but you can download any version of it according to your need. Now click on this JDK download link. Now here are the different options for the different OS, like Linux, Mac OS and Windows. We are installing it in Windows, so click on this download link for Windows. Now accept the term and conditions of the Oracle website or Oracle technology. Now click on this download button. Now the downloading will start it. I am cancelling these download because I have already downloaded these setup files. So after downloading is completed, we have these two setup files. One is for JDK and other is for Visual Studio Code. Now open the JDK setup file and the installation window will appear like this. Now click on next, installing. Now the Java is successfully installed in your system, but still we can't be able to run the Java programs. To make it possible, we have to set the environment variables, and it is very important step. Now follow me carefully. Go to this PC, C drive, program files, Java, JDK, bin. Now we have to copy this path of bin and paste it in the path variable. So copy this, Control C. Now we get the environment variable in this PC. Right click, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. And in environment variables, there are two types of variables, user variables and system variables. We have to paste that path in the path variable. Now click on edit, new, and paste that path here. Control V. Now OK. And now we have to set a new system variable. Click on new and variable name as Java home. Now paste that path again here, but we will require only the path for JDK folder. So erase this bin, click on OK and OK. And now we will successfully install the Java in our system, and now we are also able to run the Java programs. So to check, go to search, write cmd and open the command prompt. Now run a command Java After running this command, it will show you the version of the Java running in your system. So now we have to install the VS Studio Code. Open the VS Studio Code setup file. Click on I agree the agreement. Next. Yes, create a desktop icon. and please check that add to path is also checked. If not, then checked it. Next, and install. Now the VS Studio Code is installing. VS Studio Code is successfully installed. Now click on finish and this will launch your VS Code. Now to run the Java program in VS Code, we have to install some extension. So now click on this extension icon. Now write Java extension pack. Here it is. Now this extension pack includes IntelliJ Code, Maven for Java, support for Java, Java Test Runner, debugger and manager for Java. Now click on install and yes, the extension package get installed. So now we can able to run the Java program in our VS Code. So first I would make a folder in desktop name Java program. Now open this folder in the VS Code. Go to files, open folder. Yes, here it is, Java program. Open. So to run the Java program, we have to create a .java file. So let's create in this Java folder, create new file, name of file dot, and to create a Java file we have to just add .java after the name of our file. So here it is, dot.java. Now we have to create a class main and system dot out dot println like, share and subscribe. So in VS Code we simply run the Java program by clicking on here a run button. So click on this run button and here is our output. Like, share and subscribe. I hope you understand how to install VS Studio Code to run Java program in your system. If it is helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.